What's up, my guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I'll be going deep on the no contact rule. Like the video, subscribe. Let's get into it. Now, no contact is the number one sure bet way to make women chase you. This is because you demonstrate that you have other things going on in your life. So the woman is not the priority. But the no contact rule, first of all, has its own rules. Number one, the girl must be physically attracted to you. If she's not attracted to you and you stop talking to her, she won't be affected. That is just simple common sense. So this only works on girls that are physically attracted to you. Number two, you must have already had an initial contact. So let's say maybe you have approached her, you are texting, you're communicating. So you are giving her some of your attention. Now, for no contact rule to work, first of all, you must let her know what your intentions are. Say you want her to come to your place. You approach her on a Monday. Maybe you meet on a Monday, and you are like, yeah, we should hang out sometime. And you set a date on Saturday. That is when she's coming over. The period between Monday and Saturday, you have to mind your own business. You give her that time to think, this guy, what is he doing? What is he up to? Most guys can't wait to text me, can't wait to talk to me. But this guy is aloof. I don't know where he is. Is he with other women? Is he? You give her time to make assumptions about you. That is before you have even, yeah, I know what I know you understand what I mean. Before you have, yeah, that when she comes to your place, she does not know what to expect. So she has to bring her A game, because first of all, you have demonstrated value. You have demonstrated that she is not above you. She is at the list of your priorities. Number two, you have demonstrated that you are not needy. Guys, if there is one thing that turns off women quickly, is being needy. Once a woman finds out that you need her, her attraction starts to go down. Number three, you have shown that whatever it is that you want, you demonstrated that you are you have a masculine frame. You are direct to the point. You focus on yourself. So let her imagine, because she will imagine you have set yourself apart from other guys. Other guys are blowing up her phone, telling her how she's beautiful, or validating her, giving her all the attention. Now she does not value the attention. The only attention she wants is from you. That is how the no contact works. That is for first approaches or first meetups. Now, you might be in a relationship, and you guys in relationships, I don't know why people get comfortable with each other. Once a woman becomes comfortable around you, that's it. she will start losing your respect. She will start losing, because with women you have to handle them like business. One has to be above the other. You have to be the leader. So you have to maintain that relationship dynamic. You are the leader, she's the follower. You are the dominant man, she's the submissive woman. You are the masculine man, she's the feminine energy. That is the way it's supposed to be. So you have to make sure that it does not reach that point where you are comfortable with each other. You are like friends. You become like sisters. That is not a relationship. You have to be you have to be very, very selfish with your time and attention. As much as you're in a relationship, you have other things in your life going on. She is not the center of your life. And that is where most guys fail. Once you get into a relationship, you relax. You stop going to the gym. You become complacent. You start failing her shit tests. Guys, you always have to make sure that she knows her place is below. Guys, you are trying to build an empire. You are trying to build your life for your wife and your children and your generations to come. You are trying to build a better life. So if she's lucky, she will be a beneficiary of what you are doing. So you have to limit the time that you spend together. Like, take breaks. Maybe you spend 2 weeks together. Take a break. Let her go think, is my man with another man? Why does he not validate me? Why does he not give me the attention that I want? You have to be a little toxic. That is what keeps the relationship spicy. That is what, guys, being a man right now and being masculine, that is what is being called toxic. You become toxic because you are a man. Be that toxic guy. Keep her on her toes. You have to make sure that she has never you have to make sure she never has 100% of you. She's always trying to get more of you, and you're always trying to build bigger, better. Guys, that is how no contact works. You have to make the women, think about you, guess about what you're doing, give her time and space for imaginations. That is how it works. And lastly, for guys who are in friend zone, you guys out here are validating women for no reason at all. You are making women who are 2 out of 10 to feel like they are 10 out of 10, making women become so delusional. Guys, if you want to get out of the friend zone, it's simple. Cut off the communication. That's it. I'm telling you, women keep their orbiters around because they feed on attention and validation. So when one goes away, she will feel the impact of, not getting that validation, and she will start to wonder, where did one of my orbiters go? Where did he go? And now she will start to chase you, to chase that guy, because she wants that validation, she wants that attention. She was used to getting that attention. Now she's not getting it. Now she starts to chase that guy just because he's not responding to her texts. Now, to her, he has value. I see you found another woman. Oh, you come back here. I want you back. I don't want you to go anywhere. That is how women think. I don't want you to go anywhere. Come back. And now when she can't catch him, now he is a catch. Now she wants him. Now all of a sudden, he's this amazing guy that she can't have. That is how no contact works, and it works wonders. But for all those things that I've told you to work, you must be improving yourself. You must be on your grind. You must be on your purpose. Legit, not faking. You must be working on yourself, improving yourself. That is the one key element that makes no contact so powerful. You must be on your grind. Chase that paper. Chase that prosperity. Build that business. And guys, see you in the next video. Peace out.